I'm Miss Licorice Lips, your narrator. There's Mr. Potato Head, who makes TV shows in his very own TV studio, along with his friends Queen Sweet Potato, Baloney, Potato Bug, Johnny Rotten Apple, and Dr. Fruitcake. On today's show, find out why microwaving 2,000-year-old popcorn is a bad thing. So hold on to all of your parts. It's showtime!
He's got to he's gotta know, he's got to wherever he goes, And when you see him coming, well, everybody knows, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head. He makes a show, with his kitchen crew, the TV guy, tell him what to do. When you see him coming, well, everybody knows, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head.
The Adventures of Spudman. Yes, Spudman, an ordinary talking potato who, on a routine tour of a nuclear power plant, absorbed enough radiation to kill 10 horses. Or one very large horse. From this, he gained powers far beyond those of mortal Spuds. Along with his plucky sidekick, Meaty the Meat Wonder, Spudman fights a never-ending battle for truth, justice, and a place to park the Spudmobile. The Adventures of Spudman. We join Spudman as he faces one of the evil robot minions of his arch-nemesis, the Yaminator.
Nefarious automaton, out of our way!
I must stop you, Spudman!
Then face the awesome might of my super atomic strength!
Gee, that was kind of easy, huh?
Yeah, I was kind of hoping for a big dramatic fight scene here.
Yeah.
No matter. Onward into the Yaminator's evil lair, my plucky sidekick.
Okay.
All right, come on. Yaminator, no longer will you oppress the downtrodden.
She's not here.
Or tread down upon the oppressed.
Not here.
I, Spudman, will... She's not here.
Your perspicacity never fails to astonish.
Cut! Where the heck is Queenie? Potato Bug, where is she?
She's having trouble with her costume.
Huh? So, how long's she been in there?
Oh, I don't want to say.
Queenie, you need any help in there?
Can't zip my... costume! Potato Bug, you made this costume too small.
No, it is the same costume you wore in the underwater ballet 2 weeks ago. It's fit you then.
Well, that can only mean one thing.
Wow! I'm getting fat!
Oh, you're not fat. Who's gorgeous? That's right, it's you. Now, why does every woman in the world think she's fat?
Because the mass media present an unattainable ideal of physical perfection which distorts our self-images on a deep-rooted, unconscious level. Either that or it's the work of mischievous pixies.
Whatever. All I know is I have got to go on a diet right now, and I want everyone to help me stick to it.
Remember the last time she went on a diet?
Sometimes I still wake up screaming.
PH, the TV show guys just called. Now they want an educational superhero show.
Hey, great. That's tubular. Education is good, baby. Helps you be more smarterer. Thanks, Baloney.
No pain, no gain! No pain, no gain!
This better work, Johnny Rotten Apple.
I know a good diet.
What?
You have 2 shakes, a sensible dinner, then you get liposuction.
Liposuction.
No pain, no gain! Get a move on!
Back off me, man! Just back off!
Oi! That's gonna leave a mark.
Well, I got the pain. Where do I get the gain?
How are we gonna make the superhero show educational?
Well, gosh, do we have to do everything that the TV guys say?
Abso-freaking-lutely. You know, they're the ones who pay for the show. Their word is law, and to question it is madness of the worst kind.
Hey, I know how to make the show educational. We do it exactly the same as before. But we stick in a bunch of irrelevant facts, you know, like the list of noble gases and the capital of North Dakota, huh?
Who's smarter than the average sandwich filler? That's right, it's you!
Whoa!
Don't know my own strength.
The Educational Adventures of Spudman!
Jinkies, Spudman. The noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon.
Nefarious automaton! Bismarck is the capital of North Dakota!
Not with the hurting and hitting and things.
Then face the awesome might of my song that explains the Pythagorean theorem! Add up the squares of the lengths of the sides of a right triangle, and you get the square of the hypotenuse's length. Now isn't that just grand?
Not math. I'm terrified of math.
Come on.
Okay.
Yaminator! Pluto is the farthest planet from the sun.
Queenie is not here again.
Godfrey Daniels, go find her, would you?
Queenie. Queenie. Yo, yo, yo.
Not now, baloney.
Whoa. Ha ha. You're eating pizza. I knew it.
Don't make me use this, man!
Now, Queenie, you told us you wanted everyone to help you stick to your diet. So, give me that.
Hey, Maloney, what's going on? Hey.
Oh, that is one tough yam.
A little help here, please.
Potato head, let me out! I need food! Food, I tell you, food!
So, how long do you think we should keep her in here, huh?
Well, forever and ever and ever and ever and
The
ever.
TV guys want a superhero musical.
Or until we need her to sing something. For instance, like right now.
Spudman, the musical!
Yaminator, your villainy is at a... Hey, she's actually here. Your villainy is at an end.
Oh, yeah? Well, let me tell you a little something about villainy, Spudman.
World domination, I do it all the time. Obliteration's a lucrative sideline of mine. I sow devastation throughout the galaxy. With a PhD in treachery, I am the queen of villainy. There's not a drop of vanilla in me. I'm the anti-Barbara Billingsley.
World domination, she does it all the time.
Very kind.
Oh, did we mention?
Frankenstein's a friend of mine.
Honest evil done professionally. We call on the Queen.
That's me.
They stick to her on Jupiter.
Cause I'm the meanest thing on Venus.
We agree she is diabolically the worst in the universe.
I rotten in the company.
Very, very crabby, indestructible and crabby
With a thrill and chill and scare.
Oh, Queenie's high note busted the lights again, PH.
Well, that's a cut. Everybody take 5 while we replace the lights.
Oh, I think I'll, go to the kitchen for no particular reason.
Oh, by the way, since you asked us all to help you with your diet, I had Potato Bug hide all the food.
You are evil incarnate.
All right, get those lights fixed.
Maybe if I wear my workout headband, everyone will think I'm exercising and not looking for food. Where is the food?
So, how's the diet go? Ing.
You look good enough to eat.
Not in any way good.
Must have food.
Hey, the lights are all fixed. Ready for another take? Hey, are you doing that thing they always do in cartoons, where you imagine I'm some kind of food?
Oh, it's you.
Oh, Baloney, that was close.
Won't you let her out of the cupboard?
Criticisms for the weak.
Sweet cheese and the crackers! It is me, Potato Bug! Let me in! Oh my...
This is ridiculous! We can't hide in this stinking, filthy little cupboard all day!
Come on, guys. I won't eat you. You're my friends. My succulent, tender, mouth-watering friends.
You know, this cupboard is so comfy, I could just stay in here forever and ever and never and never and never and never and never and never.
Oh, there's got to be some food in here somewhere. No. I ate my headband and I'm still hungry. Oh, microwave popcorn? Best if used by November 19th, 4006 BC. Only a desperate lunatic would eat something like this. Woo! All right. Gonna eat some food, yeah. 6,000-year-old food, yeah. Food. Gonna keep food for me, yeah, right.
Free! I'm free! Oh, darn it! Mortal, free me from this box thingy, and I will give you anything you desire. Gold, jewels, traveler's checks accepted at locations worldwide.
How about a sugar cream pie?
You're sure you don't want the golden jewels?
A sugar cream pie!
Okay, pie it is. You're the boss.
Free! I'm free! After thousands of years trapped in a corn kernel, I, Blastrogath the Destroyer, am free to fulfill my destiny by destroying the Earth and every living thing upon it.
So you're saying I don't get my pie? Excuse me for just 1 minute. Guys? Guys, come out! There's an ancient demon here who says he's gonna destroy the Earth!
Sure. Nice try, baby.
He should
It's Betty, the kitchen fairy.
Oh, I've stopped time in order to visit you.
Oh, have you come to save us all from Blastergath the Destroyer?
Oh, yeah, right. Do I look like the cavalry? No. I'm here to tell you to knock off this diet junk, you spongy-nosed maltworm. So what if you're not some kind of freaky stick insect fashion model? Quit making yourself miserable and eat something, for crying out French.
So you're saying I should just be myself?
Bingo! I thought your little 2-volt brain would never figure it out. Okay, I'm going to start time up again, so... Doc!
Foolish mortal, you cannot escape my wrath.
That doesn't sound like Queenie's voice, PH.
Maybe I should take a little peek.
Godfrey Daniels! Well, this looks like a job for Spudman!
PH, no! Oh, I hate it when it confuses fiction and reality.
There's a difference?
Face my superatomic strength, foul demon!
Face your doom, puny mortal.
Well, thank you for spoiling my rich inner fantasy life. We're gonna need some help. This is Potato Head calling the Junior Spud Squad. Emergency in the kitchen.
What's the Junior Spud Squad?
A small group of potatoes who have banded together to fight evil.
The world has gone mad.
Junior Spud Squad to the rescue when catastrophes impend. Time to raise a cheer, 'cause the Spuds are here and we'll fight for the right to the end.
Hey! It's not gonna hold him for long.
Wait a minute. I've got an idea.
Not so fast. Careful there. Easy on the spoon, you know.
Blastergath, you could slow them down by stopping time. Betty the kitchen fairy can show you how. She's in the microwave.
Hey, this isn't a trick, is it? Oh, no. Okie dokie then. Hello? I don't see that.
Ha!
Oh, darn it. All the other ancient demons are going to make fun of me. You tricked me.
Thanks for your help, Junior Spud Squad. I'll send you all autographed pictures.
Junior Spud Squad to the rescue. Now that our work here is done, we'll go watch some sports in our undershorts and eat chips and dip just for fun.
Hey, tubular work, Queenie. Boy, it was your quick thinking that got us out of an awful mess. Which your stupid diet got us into in the first place.
Yeah, you're right. No more crazy crash diets for me. From now on, I'm gonna be happy just being myself.
Tubular, baby. I just love it when someone learns a valuable yet socially redeeming lesson.
Hey, everybody! Let's all go get some pizza on me!
Yeah, excellent. All right, good idea.
Guys! Hello? Hey! There's no bathroom in here! Guys!
Oh, Kenny, come on, boy. Good boy, come on. Hey there, Hepcats. Hey, I thought I'd take a moment from my busy schedule to answer some fan mail. Nornine Logarithm of Anytown, USA writes with this. Dear Mr. Potato Head, I am 5 and my house is green. Asparaguses are also green, but pigs are not. Pizza is good. My mom says I have to go to bed now. Good night. Well, Nornine, you didn't really ask any questions, which means there's nothing for me to answer. So, I'd like to go off on a completely unrelated tangent. What's up with people who say dude all the time? I mean, don't they realize how annoying it is? Or do they just not care? Well, I want them to knock it off right now, and if you're one of those people, stop saying dude! Ugh. And while you're at it, stop ending sentences with prepositions. That is one thing up with which I will not put. Well, I guess I've said my piece. Now I guess I'll go mow the carpet. Goodbye. Good night.